You are joining me via snowstorm, Winchester. Yep, it's true. Actually, if you can take a look, you see some stormy, snowy snow. Oh, let's take a look here. Is that a snowflake? Come on in. Let them see you. There, did you see that one? Yep. It's my neighbors. They're probably going to think I'm insane. The camera in my face. But anyway, here, as you can see, here's some obvious snow storm ground is getting a little snowy, if you know what I'm saying. Fucking shoes. And then we go look at the sky again. Oh! You definitely had to have seen that snow. Yep. It's just a regular snowstorm. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm afraid my car might not be able to get out in the morning. I'm really freaking out here. Yep.